In 2020, this single-seater prototype had its first piloted test flight, staying up for about 4 minutes at 10 meters above ground. Not long, but that could change soon. The makers of Skydrive want their vehicle to be market-ready by 2023 as an air taxi across Japan's main island, Honshu. The location of the research facility and tech we're about to see are top secret. Right now, Skydrive is one of 80 competitors worldwide working feverishly on launching the first eVTOL or electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. The small Japanese startup is up against global players in the automobile and aviation industries, mobility service giants such as Airbus and other renowned startups like Germany's Volocopter. Of course, Skydrive is hoping to be the first flying car fit for mass production. Are you looking forward to this future like I am? Or are you a little bit skeptical about all this? Let me know in the comments. Supporters say flying cars can help solve traffic problems of today and the future, with megacities at a lower environmental and financial cost than helicopters. And here it is, the Skydrive prototype. Name SD03. Weight about 400 kilograms. Maximum speed around 40 kilometers per hour. To me, it looks like a big drone. Unlike helicopters, eVTOLs like this one have several small rotor blades distributed over different axes. This is not just supposed to be quieter, but also safer. If one breaks, the aircraft can still fly. Skydrive CEO Tomohiro Fukuzawa is showing me around. After working at Toyota for a long time, he founded his own company. Unfortunately, I soon found out, no pilot's license, no test flight for me. I'm trying to hide my disappointment here. I need some wind.
Our goal is to create a compact and quiet aircraft that would allow people to use the sky on a daily basis.
I'm going to space, guys. See you guys later. So there's an image of what I would see inside here. Just a little simulation, which is really, really cool. So this is how Luke Skywalker feels. Watching this makes me want to be in one. Like, can this take off right now? 79 people are currently working for Skydrive to achieve this goal. The next milestone, get the green light for takeoff.
I think that safety is a big part. Since this is an aircraft, it can only be flown with the approval of the Civil Aeronautics Act by the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism. In order to obtain this approval, we need to achieve the same level of safety as current flight operators such as Airbus or Boeing.
This sounds to me like there is still a long list of problems to solve. For example, aviation laws require aircraft to have a reserved flight time of at least 30 minutes. That's beyond the reach of current prototypes, which manage around 20 minutes. That's because current battery technology cannot deliver enough power over such a long period, and bigger batteries means more weight to keep the aircraft airborne. Another potential opponent is the weather. Such aircraft cannot fly in windy or very rainy conditions. Then, there's the question of how to integrate eVTOL aircrafts into conventional air traffic. One approach is clearly defined paths from A to B with designated landing pads, for example, on skyscrapers. Despite all these obstacles, Tomohiro Fukuzawa is already thinking about the next milestones.
With remote driving, there is no need for a pilot, so it is very close to automated driving. And eventually it will become fully automated and the aircraft will fly by itself. I would like to realize this final image in about 5 years from the start of the service.
The optimism is infectious. Even though I missed out on a test flight, I'm already dreaming of crossing the Bay of Tokyo in a flying car in the next couple of years. Tomohiro Fukuzawa also told me that his company already has a 2-seater in the works. The dream of flying carefree above the traffic is getting closer. But I do wonder, can these concept aircrafts reach the mass market and actually fix urban gridlock?